What is construction monitoring? Construction monitoring is the process of tracking and recording the progress of a construction project. It involves recording key stages of the project to ensure that work is being carried out and completed in accordance with project plans, specifications, and safety regulations. This helps to identify and address any issues or risks that arise during the project, such as delays, cost overruns, or safety hazards, and to communicate project progress and share key messages to internal and external stakeholders. Contact Avian to learn more about our experience in civil and commercial construction and how construction monitoring can support your project success.